Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I like to talk about circuits with resistors and capacitors in them. Usually the simplest type being one resistor and one capacitor exactly. As we should already be well aware, a capacitor acts as sort of a secondary type of battery, and that it will build up and release charges as appropriate, instead of having a simple constant energy level like a resistor. For this reason, capacitors will have different voltages and different currents at different times. And the technical term you will hear for a voltage or current in a specific time interval is a transient, as a reference to how the electricity exists in a transitional state. Provided the capacitor has been fully discharged before you insert it in the circuit, it will initially act as a short circuit because it has a voltage of 0 at its terminals, and so it will draw a maximum current when it begins to charge. But as it gains voltage from the source, usually a battery, the current will decrease correspondingly. And once it charges fully to meet the voltage of the source exactly, it will stop drawing current and behave for all practical purposes as an open circuit. Although the current and voltage in a capacitor is not simple, but depends on the time in question it is charging at. We can use the rules of series circuits if you put it in series with a resistor, by stating it is the voltage drop divided by the resistance of the resistor, by simple applications of Ohm's law and the fact that current in a series is the same regardless of the component. You will see a graph of how the voltage works compared to time in a capacitor looks like this, and references what was mentioned earlier in the video, namely that it has 0 volts initially because it is discharged, and then it has the voltage of the source exactly later on, and once it does, it can no longer charge because there is no extra voltage available from the source, so it will flatten out like this. It is important to recognize how capacitors behave with respect to voltage and current, in some DC applications like a flash capacitor in a camera, although later on we will see more complex circuits that do not give this type of pattern but give more messy patterns. In my next tutorial video, I like to talk about a simple inductor resistor circuit like I investigated a simple capacitor resistor circuit in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.